There was a time in King David's life that he was experiencing some situations and circumstances that were a little overwhelming, like all of us experience sometimes. So he picked up his pen and began to write. Hear my cry, O Lord. Hear my cry, O God. Attend unto my prayer. From the end of the earth. From the ends of the earth. From the ends of the earth. I cry. Unto thee. When my heart is overwhelmed. Lead me. Oh yeah. That is higher than I. David told the Lord, for thou hast been. A shelter. Do I have any witnesses out there? Has the Lord been a shelter for you? A mighty strong tower. From my enemy. When your heart is overwhelmed, and life's problems seem to get you down, Jesus, lead me to that rock that is higher than I.